What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing today? So today I have a vlog for you guys from last night from Slept On Society's cruise and meet, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Go ahead and say it, bro.
My favorite camera guy right here. His name David. Got a Honda Accord. Fire.
You ready for it today?
Yeah. You ready? Ready to be doing roads today. Ready to be hanging out back here.
Let's see the setup. Yeah. Let's see the setup.
Yeah. Got the chain over here to hold me steady. So I ain't going nowhere.
You about to go flying, bro. That ain't safe.
Yo, they gonna play Rocket League with me, bro. I'm telling you.
They gonna play Rocket League with him. Oh yeah. I saw him pull up.
I know he here, but I'm trying to pull up because, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, he about to get up out of here, but
Oh, there he is there. Where? Right.
oh, sit right there?
Yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ready. You ready?
We out here, Slept On Society. How you doing,
I'm good, bro. How are you? Where Nate at, man? Yo Nate, you ready, bro?
We outside, baby. We going to the short tonight. You already know.
Come on now, man. Come on.
Our merch out tonight, you feel me? And then we're gonna have it out at Fly Stands. You got tonight and Fly Stands. That's it. We out here.
Come on now. Come on now. Y'all know what's about to go down tonight. See, now it smells like somebody's cats are burning up. Somebody's head gasket is back in Philly. That joint got blown.
They went to the meet already.
He won.
Huh?
He won.
Oh yeah, of course. It's my friend Larson.
Who's spinning?
All right.
It's a takeover already.
Hey yo.
It's the Corvette. Say it again. This y'all crazy. Just pulled up, man. You survived. You survived, bro.
Listen, the videos is crazy, bro. That's like gonna be like the most Wait, we got one person already hanging outside the back of the car.
I got video for you too.
Ready?
On here.
Back.
That y'all something else.
Roller. Yes, sir.
No!
It is what it is. Right, yeah.
What you got to say to the camera, man?
Bro, ecstatic. We outside. That should never happen. Hey, man, now you gotta come back 10 times.
Dang!
Head back.
That's clutch. That's clutch. Yo, oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done.